What's going on, Garrett here. That's right, in this video, I'm going to share with you a realistic formula you can use to make as much as $1,500 in just 10 minutes of work. In a second, I'm going to hop on my laptop and I'm going to walk you through every single step. So by the end of the video, you can go out there and start to create the results you truly want. So without further ado, let me hop on my laptop and let's get started right now.
Okay, before I dive into this exact method, I just want to share with you some proof so you can see that what I'm about to reveal to you does in fact work. You can see right here that very recently, okay, I was able to generate a $1,500 commission. Now, what I recommend with this method is, first off, you want to be promoting a high ticket affiliate system. Now, the reason you want to be doing that is if you have an income goal of, let's say, $10,000 a month, and you're promoting a product that only pays you $100 per commission, okay, you're going to need 100 sales per month to hit that goal. But if you could promote a product that, let's say, pays you even $1,000, okay, then you only need 10 sales, 10 referrals per month to hit that goal. And it's a lot easy. And with the right system, you can actually have it in place where it does all the telling, selling, and following up for you. And all you have to do is use this proven traffic method I'm going to reveal in just a second to drive traffic to your link. And then the system will do all the telling and selling for you. Now, I'm going to include a link directly below. It's going to take you to this free application. All you have to do is answer these simple questions right here. And if you qualify, you'll be able to discover how to join my #1 affiliate system that I used to make this amount of money. But without further ado, let me break down this method. So the very first step is, once you have your affiliate link, okay, and you can be promoting any product for this method, we want to go to a website called Linktree. Okay, now this isn't 100% necessary for this method, but a lot of people don't know about this. What you can do is you can go to a site called Linktree and you can get started for free. Okay, you can create a free account. And what this actually does is it allows you to create pages like this. Okay, so what this is one page where I have many different offers and links on this one page. So if I get someone to go to this page, I could be making money. I could be promoting my YouTube channel, my TikTok. Okay, so it's really powerful to actually use this website. Now, again, once you create a free account, all you have to do is go to your back office here and you can add new links. You can add different buttons here. Okay, so you can actually add this and you can put in, okay, like click here to learn how to make $1,000 per day. Okay, something like that. And then for the URL, okay, you can just put in your affiliate link. Let's say my affiliate link was google.com for the sake of this, right? And then boom. And now what you can do is you can see it right there, okay? So if I go to this page, you're going to be able to see that now that's added, okay? And if I click that, it's going to get taken to my affiliate link, in this case, which is Google, okay? So this is very powerful, and you can use this to actually start to create results. Now, what is the traffic method? Because once we have our proven affiliate system that pays us high ticket commissions, once we've set up this link tree where, again, you can promote your social media, you can promote your affiliate link, what is the next step? Well, what I highly recommend you do is you go to Instagram.com. Now, chances are, if you're watching this video, you probably have an Instagram profile. If you don't, you do need one for this method, and it takes just a few minutes to create one. Now, what we want to do is we want to go to the very top search bar here, and we want to type in a few words that have to do with the niche our product is in. Now, if you do find yourself eagerly and automatically going to the link below, getting started through my #1 recommended affiliate system, that is in the make money online, the home business, the entrepreneur niche. Okay, so that's the example I'm going to be using in this video. So you can just follow me and apply it right now. Okay, so what I can do is I can type in entrepreneur, for example. Now, if you're in the health and fitness niche, you could type in health and fitness. If you're in the relationship, you could type dating. Okay, you just want to type in a word. And what I like to do often is type in quotes after it, okay? Because what we're wanting to do is we're wanting to find bigger, popular pages that we can identify for this method, okay? So if I type in entrepreneur quotes, you can see that they have a lot of different pages dedicated to quotes about being an entrepreneur. Now, I know that, let's say I open this one. I know that if someone is following and liking posts on this page, chances are they're going to also be open to checking out my product because my product has to do with being an entrepreneur, making money online. Now, what I recommend you do is you actually look for pages that have at least 50,000 followers, because what we're actually going to do is we're going to hijack their following. Okay. You don't have to build a following yourself. You can actually find pages that have followings in the type of niche, the type of topic your product is in, and we can actually leverage their following. Okay. So this person has 2,000 followers. This would not be an ideal for what we want. Okay. Let me just try to open up another one just to see. Okay, so this one has 530,000 followers. Okay, so this is pretty good. Now, ideally, you want to find anywhere from 50,000 to about 200,000 followers. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to look for pages that have this in their bio, right, where they say they can do promotions. Because what we're going to do with this method is we're going to actually message these people, these profiles, and we're simply going to ask them, hey, I saw I can promote on your Instagram page. What are your rates? Right? By asking what are your rates, they're going to reply and they're going to tell you how much they charge on average to make a post or have a link in their bio. Okay. A lot of these bigger pages are going to charge you a little bit of money to actually promote on their page. Now, some of these profiles allow you to post a photo and a caption for 24 hours. Some of them are for 12 hours. Some of them allow you to do an Instagram story. Now, which one's better? All of them work. You want to test different ones, but anything where you can actually put your link there for a certain amount of time is going to be good, okay? And if you've used the link tree, you can actually send them that link. And what you do is you basically just through PayPal or Cash App, you're going to pay this person, anywhere from $5 up to $20 for a promotion, okay? This is paid advertising. Now, this is incredibly cheap, and the results that you can get are incredibly powerful, because especially if you make sure that they're getting good engagement, this page is active, they have a lot of people commenting, then a lot of people are going to see your link. They're going to go to our affiliate system, and because it's high converting, which again, when you go to the link below and use that system, it's very high converting, you can ensure you're going to make a lot of results. Now, if you've already promoted on this page, you don't want to keep hammering away at that same page. What you can do is you can click this little arrow, okay? And a lot of people don't know about this down arrow. And what this does is Instagram shows you similar pages in a similar niche, pages with a similar amount of following. And what you can do is you can open up these different profiles in different tabs, and we can look if it has the criteria, right? This one has quite a bit of followers, okay? So if you DM them to promote, chances are they would charge you quite a bit of money. You may want to stay away from that if you're just getting started. Like I said, anywhere from about 50,000 to about 200,000 followers is a good amount of followers, and you can start to do that, okay? So again, you would just message them. Now, if you don't have a lot of money, maybe, even $20 is a lot of money to you, what you can do is you can actually do the free method, which is building one of these pages yourself, right? The time is going to pass anyway. Why not spend that time building a digital asset that can pay you for years to come? So how do we build these pages? Very simple, okay? All you want to do is you want to create a quote or a motivation type page around the topic you're in. If you're in health and fitness, create a health and fitness quotes or motivation page. If you're in the dating niche, create a dating motivation, dating memes, right? Anything in that category where you can post funny things, you can post inspirational quotes is going to do very well. Now, in our bio, okay, we want to put our affiliate link or our link tree link. We always want to have that in our bio, because that's how we're going to start making money. Okay, you can see even in my personal Instagram right here, I actually have my link tree, right? I'm always getting people to go to this link so they can find out more information. Now, all you want to do is you want to build this page by simply posting. You can do quotes, you can do memes, okay? Now, you can just go to Google Images, you can find images, and you can post these. You can also find them from other Instagram profiles in your niche. You can just, open up this page, you can snip this, or if you're on a phone, you can just screenshot this, and you can just post this on your profile, okay, to start to get likes. Now, how do you build followers? Very simple. You want to go to this top search bar. You want to type in a few words that have to do with the topic. So, for example, entrepreneur, okay? We can find one of these popular pages. And what you can do is you can look at one of their most recent posts, okay, like let's say this one, we can open up people that have liked this, and now we can start to follow these people. What's going to happen is these people are interested in being an entrepreneur. Now, when we follow them, because our profile is set up where we're in that niche too, and we're very similar to the profiles that we're following people from, chances are a lot of these people are going to see your follow notification. They're going to check out your profile, and if it's good, they're going to follow you back. Now, you can actually follow about 20 people per hour, okay? 20 people per hour. You don't want to go too crazy. I would follow about 20 people per hour, and you'll start to get followers. People will start to reciprocate. They'll follow you back. And then when you post these memes, you post these quotes, you will start to get engagement. And then every once in a while, you can tell people in your caption, okay, if you want to learn more information, be sure to go to the link in my story or in my bio, okay? Just like this person's doing, you can post a caption and then you can get people to go to your link and bio. And that's how you're going to start to get paid and free traffic using the shout out method and using the method to build your own profile. So I really hope you got a tremendous amount of value, my friend. This method is incredibly powerful. Again, find a high converting affiliate system. I'll include a link to my #1 recommended one directly below this video. Set that up with the link tree. If you want to add other links, put that in your bio. Pay people, to do a shout out and start to get traffic from Instagram to your affiliate link and sit back and watch the money roll in. Okay. This is exactly how I've been able to start generating this amount of money. It's just getting traffic to a high converting, high paying system. Okay. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friend. If you're new to my channel, you never want to miss out on my latest videos, click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video, my friend. Take care, and I'll talk soon.